A pretty bitch boy clothes.
That was so good, like, felt like an orgasm.
What the fuck? Like, what the fuck? I don't need y'all motherfuckers. Let me give y'all a little show real quick. Let me bust it down for y'all because
Swipe, nigga know to pull that black out. He don't like it, but the nigga deal with it. Attitude bad, but the nigga still get it. You bitches be the biscuit, I'm a meal ticket. Gotta pay when you lick it, pay again when you stick it. I cook, I clean, but this mouth don't shut.
ain't on a stance but the shoes, baby. Don't y'all hate when just niggas be niggas? So I'm going to North Carolina today, so I guess y'all riding with me. Nice little trip, nice little trip. Don't ask me where I'm going to North Carolina. I'm just going for the ride, okay? I ain't driving.
Bounce that ass house shite, them titties, man. I'm looking for the littest. Lit bitches in the city. Who gon' really get the littest? Why the niggas at the strip?
That's what's happening. My bag is packed. I need to make my bed up and finish packing the rest of my items. At least I'm off the ball. Amen. Amen. Amen to that. Hello. That's what's happening. That's what's litty. I have to be back here by 4. I told my dad, so I don't know y'all. It's my dad be having this whole thing, right? I'm gonna tell y'all the real business real quick, the little tea real quick. So like, not problem. He just like his kids. I just had a incident with his other kids. You heard that right. His other kids. They all just like to avoid problems and act like it's okay and come back like it didn't happen, like I don't want to apologize. Like, in my eyes, you're dead motherfucking wrong, okay? And you're wild as shit, and the things that you said hurt my feelings completely. My dad think that, oh, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a. They're human beings at the end of the day. Act like it. And technically, since I'm a kid in their eyes, fuck y'all. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? I don't need y'all motherfuckers. I don't give a fuck. And that's just me though. That's just me though. Keep it cute, sis. Who was running? Who was doing the running? Not Harry Tubman. Not I. What happened last night? Last night I was at work, right? They extended me. Oh my god, y'all. That's a whole 16-hour shift. Why the fudge, bruh? Why the fudge? They gonna decide to extend me another hour, twin? I'm like, y'all don't understand. Like, I was so mad. I was so sleep deprived yesterday. I done seen Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass last night. Ask your mother. I love my sisters at work. They my sisters for real. Anyways, damn, that was really... It's supposed to be hot. Today. I'll take your bitch and take your nigga. Hello? Clock that to you. She basically saying none of you hoes are important to her. Clock it. What have the world become? Literally, what have the world become? Because what? Why are we being dumb over that? She don't even want you, and it shows. What's up, y'all? Y'all, they gave me and my dad this. I showed y'all this. I just still haven't tried it. Every time I look at this, I think of beer. Do I give beer, girly? Last time I checked, I didn't give that. Give me to drive. What? Get me to drive? No. They all in my face. Like they ain't never seen a baddie before. They probably haven't. You looking at one? I don't care what nobody say. I'm a baddie at the end of the day. Oh, this ass ain't fat yet, but when it get fat, I'm on that ass. This air feels so great. If he really thinks that I'm about to drive, he out his rabbit ass mind. Would you date me? I would date me. I would date me and have a ball with me.
Kicking the door and I bust up the ceiling. Y'all niggas don't want it. I'm ready. I'm willing. You get them. I got them. I tell them to get it. Blowing these stones on the front of my building.
My man cook. Like I was saying, this man was fried on the road, y'all. I'm looking at him. I keep asking him like, Dad, you good? You good? Dad, you good? He like, yeah, I'm good. Nigga, you ain't good. Stop lying to me, nigga. I'm your child, folks. Can't be lying to your child like that and I see your ass ain't good, nigga. And he like this on the road. Hello? Are you good, my boy? I'm like, damn, Dad, like, y'all, we here. I ain't got no service. I'm butthurt. I'm mad. This weird ass drink. I'm actually like traumatized. I don't want to try it for real. It smells like alky, if you ask me. But it's on my alky free. It stink. It smells like somebody's breath stink. Look at my boy. I'm a shy girly, right? I'm a shy girly, but I'm not like over the range, right? Type of stuff. And just I just don't. Bruh, I just gotta record this real quick, y'all. I'm in the middle of the woods. Nah. But I'm hiking real quick, right? I just want to show y'all like this. Look at this, bruh. Y'all see how dirty that water looks? Bruh. Yeah, this is what we gotta follow. Ooh! I just love being with nature. Is that shit? That is shit. Some stuff is like too white for me. I should have recorded when I first started. Y'all, I was so confused. I was about to be like, no, y'all, I'm not about to do this. I talked to God. God said, slow down, rise up, child. You not slow, you got this. No, bitch, it's you. Back up, ho. My bad. I can't wait till I just take a shower. That was so good. Like, felt like an orgasm. Don't ask me how I know what an orgasm feel like. When y'all was 16, y'all was definitely on that hunting level. Not me though. Y'all, it's getting good. Hold on. Yeah, so say hi to you. Why you looking so? Oh, girl, let me see the fit.
We don't come versus that, girl.
Get it, do the butt. Look at the fit, y'all. Period. You want to vlog? You gotta hold it from right here and vlog. You see yourself right here? You gotta point yourself to the camera. Yeah. Yeah.
I got her that one.
Y'all, let me show you. Y'all, the fit check. So.
Okay, don't play. Why are you standing like a man?
I don't know. So I'm just a pretty bitch with in boy clothes.
I wanna intercourse with you. You had enough. Hey man, say man, 100 girl, stop playing. You ain't know what the fuck going on. It's your girl, big Kai, do it on set.
Period.
My sister in the cut.
Period.
What they say?
Fun. Yeah. Hold on. Introduce.
Oh yeah, it's Big E in this bitch. You already know.
Oh, type shit.
This now that's TV. What bitch running?
A little alky in my system. I need a little alky in my system. In my system. Need a alky in her system. She said she alky in her system. She said she want a motherfucking in her system. She want this motherfucking all up in her system.
I really hope this is actually recorded.
He better been it over for this.
I hope to God this is recording. Is this recording?
Real shit. Yes.
Doesn't it look nice?
Yes. We love it.
Y'all ready?
We love it.
Oh, we're going to